beautiful people, welcome back again into Florevrard's kitchen. Today I am bringing you another Cameroon recipe, fried rice. This is Cameroonian fried rice and it's just a simple rice I just want to make. So here are the ingredients quickly. I will be needing rice. I'm just using a normal rice here, normal white rice, but this one is a strong type, and some mixed frozen vegetables, which entails carrot, green beans, sweet corn, and pears, some pears. Then I will be needing some fresh green pepper, already sliced onions, or half cup of tomato. This is already fried, some parsley and spring onions. Here is my air fried beef. I'll be using butter for this. I love the flavor when I'm making fried rice with butter, using butter. And here are a mixture of ginger, garlic, pepper and onions with the little bit of green spices. And not forgetting our stock. This is the beef stock. If I forgot any other thing, then we're going to be seeing it while in the process of cooking. So let's get started. If this is your first time of tuning into Florevrard's kitchen, God bless you. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, to like and share this video. So here comes my rice boiler. I'm going to be using the rice boiler, already washed rice. Pour that rice in there, pour in the stock. So after putting in my stock, I'm going to be putting in the rest of the ingredients to boil the rice. I'm not going to be using curry for this, no. I will just make my rice to be like this. There are many kinds of, remember we have many types of fried rice. You can use curry, you can choose to fry it like that. So I'm just going to do that. Then I'll add in salt, Maggi. There is a salt, some white pepper, half spoon of black pepper, 1 spoon of the tomato paste, Maggi. This Maggi has Ajinomoto, butter that gives it a wonderful shining color. Guys, it's time to check our rice, which I presume is ready now. Okay guys, the next part is to fry our rice, which is the most simplest part to do. Just after the pot is dry, I'm still going to be using a little bit, just a little bit of butter. Guys, butter is hot. I'll put in some onions there. Cook it until it's translucent. Next, I'll just bring in the vegetables and the fried beef. Just mix all together. A little bit of salt. Just very little because our rice already has that. And some paprika ground paprika. Give that a good stir. My little bit of fried rice spice, just a little bit, and give all of that a good stir. This is not going to cook for very long, just 3 minutes, we are good to go. I do not like the carrot to be too soft, so everything is okay. Let's not forget spring onions. Guys, you need to taste this mixture. You need to taste this mixture. Oh my god. So that's it. It's time to mix our rice. Guys, this is my favorite part. And to finalize our rice, I'm going to be putting a bit of it and mix, bit of it and mix, bit of our already cooked rice. That's our veggie. Give that a good mix. Can you see that? Oh my god, I can't just wait to eat this. Give that a good mix. Guys, you can use any rice of your choice, but preferably Uncle Ben's rice or basmati rice, the rice that comes out neatly. Put in some of your veggies again and give that a good stir. This is our fried rice, as easy as ABC. There are, like I said, there are many different ways we can cook fried rice. We can start by frying the rice, the dry rice, in hot oil. There are many different ways, so this is one of my favorite ways. Come and get a bite of it. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the process. Thanks once again for watching. Bye.